If you're considering the Hisense U7 Mini-LED ULED 4K, here's everything you need to know before making a decision. This panel is part of Hisense's high-end lineup, and it's clear why. With its impressive features and sleek design, it's definitely worth exploring. The Hisense U7 boasts an impressive array of technical specifications that set it apart from the competition. For starters, we have the HI-clad Mini-LED Pro technology, which utilizes thousands of mini-LED backlights to deliver pinpoint control for vibrant, lifelike pictures. This means you'll get exceptional brightness, true blacks, and stunning detail in every scene, whether you're hosting a watch party in a bright room or diving into a late-night movie. Another key feature is the native 165Hz refresh rate, which advanced motion technology handles gaming, sports, and action at high speeds. There's no blur, lag, or smeared frames, just fluid action that never misses a beat. And with its anti-glare layer and advanced dual-layer screen treatment, your screen will handle even the brightest windows, overhead lights, and afternoon sun. But what really sets this panel apart is its High-View AI Engine Pro. This intelligent processor constantly analyzes the scene and makes smart, instant adjustments to color, contrast, and detail, so every moment looks its most stunning. You'll also find up to 3,000 local dimming zones and up to 3,000 nits of peak brightness, which work together to make bright areas shine brilliantly while dark scenes stay deep and detailed. In terms of design and build quality, the Hisense U7 is a sleek and slim panel that's sure to fit neatly into any room. The build feels solid and premium, with a matte finish that reduces glare and reflections. And with its Visa mounting options, you can easily install it on your wall or mount it on your TV stand. Moving on to display quality, the Hisense U7 delivers exceptional results across the board. The colors are rich and accurate, with a level of detail that's hard to match in other panels. Whether you're watching sports, movies, or playing next-gen games, this panel is sure to impress. And with its native 4K resolution, you'll enjoy crisp, sharp images that feel truly immersive. In everyday use, the Hisense U7 is a joy to watch. The panel handles bright rooms and ambient light with ease, ensuring that your viewing experience remains consistent and enjoyable. And with its High-View AI Engine Pro, you can be sure that every scene will look its best, whether it's a blockbuster movie or a fast-paced sports game. In terms of connectivity, the Hisense U7 offers a range of options, including HDMI 2.1 ports, an Ethernet port, and even Wi-Fi connectivity for streaming services. And with its built-in smart TV features, you can access all your favorite apps and services with ease. One of the main advantages of the Hisense U7 is its ability to deliver exceptional brightness and contrast. With up to 3,000 nits of peak brightness, this panel is sure to handle even the brightest environments, making it perfect for use in bright rooms or during outdoor viewing sessions. And with its advanced local dimming zones, you'll enjoy a more refined, immersive picture every time. Of course, no panel is perfect, and the Hisense U7 has its limitations. For starters, we found that the panel's brightness can sometimes be overpowering, resulting in an overly bright image that's not ideal for all viewing environments. Additionally, some users have reported issues with the panel's color accuracy, which can vary depending on the content being displayed. Overall, however, the Hisense U7 is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a high-end display panel. Its impressive features, sleek design, and exceptional display quality make it an excellent choice for gaming, movies, and next-gen TV viewing. For current pricing and more details, check the links below. As always, thanks for watching.